Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to back up n8n workflows. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the official n8n website. After you're successfully signed in, you'll be inside your n8n account. Now navigate to Personal section. This is your personal workspace where all your workflows are stored and managed. Click on the specific workflow to open its details. You're making great progress at this point, and taking the time to carefully select and open the correct workflow is crucial. Once the workflow is open, look for what's known as the ellipsis or the three-dot menu icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options available for that particular workflow. From this menu, you'll want to select the Download option. This action initiates the download of your workflow, saving it to your computer as a JSON file, which is a common format for exporting digital data. Be sure to remember where your browser saves downloaded files, as this will be important. And there you have it. So that is how you can back up n8n workflows. So that's all for this video. Thanks.